As men age, testosterone levels naturally declines. This can lead to a range of issues from decreased muscle mass and bone density to reduce sex drive and energy level. There are natural ways to boost your testosterone and reclaim your vitality. In with this video, I will explain the science behind testosterone, why it declines and how you can naturally increase it. Understanding testosterone. Testosterone is a male sex organ that affects sex drive, bone and muscle health, sperm production, blood cell production. As men age, testosterone production declines naturally due to several factors. This testis gradually produces less testosterone. The body converts more testosterone into estrogen, that is female hormone. Factors like stress, lack of sleep, and unhealthy diet can accelerate testosterone decline. Foods which boost testosterone. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon and sardines are high in nutrients that are important for hormonal health, such as vitamin D, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids. Research suggests that men with low vitamin D levels tend to have lower testosterone than men with higher vitamin D levels. This is because vitamin D is essential for male reproductive health. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are an excellent source of micronutrients, including magnesium, a mineral that is critical for maintaining optimal testosterone levels, especially in older males. An older study of 399 men ages 65 and older found that those who had more magnesium in their blood had a higher testosterone levels than those with lower magnesium level. Therefore, eating more magnesium-rich foods such as spinach, kale, and collard greens may help promote healthy testosterone. Brazil nuts. Selenium is a trace mineral found in Brazil nuts and is essential for hormonal health. Intake of selenium supplementation may improve sperm motility, which is good for testosterone. Avocados. Avocados provide healthy fats, which is important for hormonal health. Plus, avocados contains magnesium and minerals called boron, which studies indicate may benefit testosterone levels. Eggs. Eggs contains protein, vitamin D, and healthy fats. They also contain selenium, an important antioxidant linked to higher testosterone production. A 2021 study involved 30 male athletes compared testosterone levels in those given egg whites compared to those given whole eggs. After 12 weeks of resistance training, males which were given whole eggs has higher testosterone level and lower body fat than those who only consume egg whites. Berries, cherries, and pomegranates. Berries, cherries, and pomegranates are high in flavonoids, antioxidants, which may help protect testosterone producing cells from damage and increase testosterone production. The pomegranate is an age-old symbol of fertility and sexual function, and its antioxidant level may support heart health and stress reduction. Also, results find that older study from 2012 indicate that pomegranate juice may boost testosterone levels. At the end of the study period, participants displayed an average 25% increase in salivary testosterone levels. They also experience improvement in mood health and blood pressure. Bananas. Bananas contains bromelain and enzyme, B vitamins and potassium that may help boost your testosterone levels. They are also a good source of fatty acids and help maintain energy levels. Red meat. Red meat contains high levels of zinc, an easily absorbed food with high amount of saturated fat that is generally thought to be beneficial for testosterone health. Beans. Beans are high in proteins and zinc. To get a good boost of testosterone boosting nutrition, choose from kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, chickpeas, or lentils. Pumpkin seeds. These are a good source of zinc, a mineral that is important in many enzymatic activities in the body, including testosterone production. Lemon. Lemon are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including hormonal production. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps reduces the oxidative stress in the body. By lowering the oxidative stress, vitamin C may help maintain healthy testosterone levels. Additionally, lemons contains compounds that can support liver function, which is essential for hormone metabolism and balance. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense food that can indirectly support testosterone levels. They are high in antioxidant, particularly beta-carotene, which can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Furthermore, sweet potatoes are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which can help maintain energy levels and support overall metabolic health. A stable energy level is important for maintaining physical activity, which is linked to higher testosterone production. Yogurt, particularly that are high in protein and probiotics, can play a supportive role in testosterone production. The protein content in yogurt is essential for muscle maintenance and repair, which is important for overall hormonal health. A healthy gut microbiome can influence the body hormonal balance, including testosterone levels. Furthermore, yogurt contains calcium and vitamin D, both of which are important for testosterone production. Shellfish such as oysters and clams are excellent source of zinc, selenium, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which may support optimal testosterone level. Onions are good sources of several nutrients and antioxidants. A 2019 study found that onion extract can support hormonal production, increase antioxidant activity, and may raise overall testosterone level. Ginger. People have used ginger for medicinally and culinary purposes for centuries. Aside from anecdotal evidence, test tube and animal studies have found that ginger extract may help increase testosterone production. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables contain a compound called indole that can help balance estrogen levels, potentially supporting testosterone level. Sources are broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts. White button mushroom. They inhibit the enzyme aromatase. This is good as they inhibit the production of aromatase, that is female enzyme progesterone. The food like white button mushroom can improve testosterone levels. Honey. It may boost levels of luteinizing hormone, which triggers the production of testosterone in the testes. Olive oil. A study from Morocco involving 60 healthy young males reported that daily consumption of 25 ml of extra virgin olive oil, roughly 5 teaspoons, increased testosterone levels by 17% and luteinizing hormone by no less than 42% after 3 weeks of studies. Coconut. This nut is source of saturated fat that plays a role in testosterone production. Herbs. Ginseng. A 2016 studies reported that 72 overweight males were given daily extract of red ginseng root, experience a nearly 6% increase of testosterone levels after 4 weeks, while those given a placebo has no change. Ashwagandha. A 2019 study reported that extract of ashwagandha root increased testosterone levels by 18% in 57 overweight males after 8 weeks. Fenugreek seeds. A 2018 study reported that extract of fenugreek increased testosterone levels by 22% in healthy young males after 12 weeks of studies. Best exercises to boost testosterone levels. Resistance training. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and high intensity interval training. Short burst of intense exercise followed by rest period can boost testosterone levels and metabolism. Cardiovascular exercise. Activity like running, swimming, and cycling can help improve overall health. Additionally, tips. Consistency is a key. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining optimal testosterone level. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the intensity of exercises, frequency of duration of workout to continue challenge for your body. Adequate rest and sleep for muscle recovery and hormone regulation. By understanding the factors that influence testosterone levels and making it informed dietary choices, you can naturally boost your testosterone levels and improve your overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep is essential for optimal health. For my Urdu and Hindi speaking viewers, I have another YouTube channel called Explore World with Iqbal. If you're interested in more health videos, this is the perfect place for you. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to check it out and see you in the next video. Stay active and stay healthy.